How to connect a Netgear router to another Netgear router using a cable. Here are two Netgear routers. Router 1. Router 2. Ethernet ports. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the two devices together. Connect from one of the LAN ports on router 1, LAN, to the Internet or one port on router 2. 1. Before connecting the cable, set up each router as follows. Router 1. On router 1, set it up as follows. Open any browser and open the router management page by entering the IP address in the address bar. Sign in. Never. Internet OK. This router is now connected to the Internet. Router 2 connects to this router to extend coverage in your home. I only changed the wireless network settings on router 1. I set up two different wireless networks to differentiate the two routers. Netgear 1. Wireless network 24. Password. Wireless network 5 grams. Name. Netgear 1 5 grams. Password. I left the default settings with other settings. Apply. Next, I set up router 2. Router 2. On this router, I set up more. Open the device management page using a browser. Enter the IP address in the address bar. Username. Admin. Password. Sign in. Router 2 has no internet connection, because I haven't connected a cable to router 1 yet. Before connecting the cable, you set it up as follows. Wireless app. Enable access point mode. This is the default wireless network setup. I don't use the default wireless network, so I changed it as follows. Setup. Wireless setup. I created a different wireless network name than the wireless network on router 1. Wireless network 24. Netgear 2. Password. Show. Network key. Wireless network 5 grams. Name. Netgear 2 5 grams. Password. Show. Network key. I use the same wireless password on different wireless networks. You can use different passwords if you want. I use one password so I don't have to remember too many. Next, I connect to the newly created wireless network to continue setting up router 2. Netgear 2 5 grams. Password. Show. Next. No internet. I haven't connected a cable yet. Two routers with the same IP address will cause a conflict if I connect a cable. Device management page. Wireless name and password. Setup access point mode. Advanced. Advanced setup. Wireless app. Enable access point mode. Wireless name and wireless password. Apply. OK. Warning about IP address change, but it will be fine if you use dynamic IP address on your computer. Time to connect cable. Ethernet cable. Router 1. LAN port. Router 2. WAN port. Review again. Connect from the LAN port on router 1 to the Internet port or WAN port on router 2. The above is how to connect two Netgear routers in the same network. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.